That's huge fish. Cut his head off already.
See the small one?
There's the small one.
Then here's the medium one I'm trying to get.
They slick.
Yep.
Yeah, we already cut their heads and tails off. Those were
Here.
some pretty nice fish, weren't they?
Ah, yeah.
That's how fish swim. They flop their tails around, huh?
I'm gonna get the small one.
Oh, that's for a small one. That's pretty big, huh?
See this big one?
Let's see the big one. Holy moly. Is that hard to catch, Trey?
Yeah.
Did it make you tired?
See it?
Jeez. Whoa! It's probably about 5 pounds, huh? Another probably a couple pounds.
Grandma, we're playing with